Over here is my isiokporoko, that's stockfish head. I'm going to wash it. Here is the stock water. Here is my pounded fresh pepper. Don't laugh, oh. Here is more goat meat. Yeah, that's what I want to use for these vegetables. Okay, and here we have kale. You can see well blanched and cut. Yeah, so here is another stockfish, and here is that dry spinach that you guys saw. I've blanched it and cut. So here I have my crayfish, Uziza powder, my red palm oil, strengths, well cleaned, salt, grilled mackerel fish, you can see, washed dry fish, you can see. Over here is my seasoning cubes. Here is my Okazi leaf. I'm still blending, alright. Here is my dry ugu leaf. You can see the water is white. Okay, I soaked it in cold water, because if you dare soak these in hot water, all the greenish will be out. Yeah.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit. But whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you stay, MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And they for put score we active. As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belly, you know who to call. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you stay, MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And they for put score we active. Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit. But whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you stay, MIRA'S kitchen there for you. kitchen there for you. And there for put call we active. As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Obajodo. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you dey, Mira's kitchen dey for you. Mira's kitchen dey for you. And dey for put call we active. Belle dey turn, stomach dey rumble. When there's reason in your belly,